Hi, I'm here today with October's Quilty Box. So let's see what we got. I have the tape already cut, but I've not opened it. Because I want to be surprised as you are. So let's pull this out, this box out of the way. So I had my surgery. I'm wearing compression. I had both my arms done. I have very limited movement right now, but it's better than it was 2 weeks ago. So I figured I could manage to get a box done. Okay, so what we got here? Let's see, we got the book, our Quilty Box Bundles of Inspiration featuring Ibotta Satar. There's her name. Here she is. And we always have our message from Patrick. We have what's in the classic Quilty Box, which is what I get. I get the classic. There are a couple other ones as well. We have a story with the featured artist and some Q&As. We got Sky and Sea by Laundry Basket Quilts. 40.5 by 48. That's really pretty. So that is, that's the pattern for that. So see all here. What's inside the Paper Pieces Quilting. So there's information about Paper Pieces Quilting, which you can go on the website and check it all out. I'll put a link down below. Let's see, this is called First Snow Quilt by Paper Pieces. So it has a pattern for that as well. Pretty cool. We got a bed scarf by Pineapple Fabrics, so we have a third pattern for that. This tells what's inside the Quilty Box Mini. Here's another pattern, Royal Plate Mini Quilt. So that's cute. We have Lollipops by Laundry Basket Quilts. So there's lots of patterns in here this month. In the shop, there's a Halloween special edition Halloween Quilty Box in the shop for $29.99, and there is that. Now I don't know if it's the same one as that I got. I got one last year. I didn't get one this year, but it was very similar, but I guess that one's different. And here's a sneak peek at a subscriber spotlight. This is Helen Grenier. And a sneak peek of Heather Ross, our next month's featured artist. So let's find the page that tells what everything is and dig in. So we have our Tulip Pink tweezers, which I have a pair of these from another box. I don't remember which company, but these are really nice. And since I have sewing area and a craft area, I will use this in both areas. This one might be a little shorter. It's 4.5 inches. I love the color of this. So iridescent and cool. So this is Tulip Pink Swiss style angle tweezer. The angle tweezer is a necessity for the plucking of unwanted threads and knots from fabrics. The bobbin case of your sewing machine or any time a clear view and precise grip is required. Works great as a stiletto too. I probably went off camera. This retails for $9.99. Okay. Next one is a template for the Lollipop quilt. Get it so you can see it. There, let me just take it out. I think that's easier. So, and it's backwards to take the paper off. Lollipop template, laundrybasketquilts.com. Bust your scraps with Ibotta's favorite template. The versatile shape lends itself to so many combinations for beautiful quilts. Flip to Ibotta's lollipop pattern and create with this fun template. This retails for $5. And it's got these little things on here to keep it from sliding. I don't know if you can make that that out very well. But they're there. There's like 3 of them. We have our Aura. No, this one might not be. Let's see, which one is this? This is Egyptian cotton. It's a really pretty blue. Wonder Fill thread, and that retails for $4.99. Let's see. Confetti, Konfetti, KT1002. 200 meters, Egyptian cotton, 50 weight. There's that. And besides the templates, the last item is the fabric, which is really cute. This is called Royal Blue Fabric Bundle by Andover Fabrics. Royal Blue is a stunning blue and cream floral collection by Ibotta Sitar for Andover Fabrics. Hope I'm saying her name right. So, this is different. Ooh, this is really cute. Look at the pattern on here. It's so cute. You got birds and bees and plants. And then some acorns. And it is a blue color. It's showing up green in my camera, but hopefully it doesn't for you. Super cute. The second one. I probably won't be working on any quilts for a little while because of my surgeries. It's going to take quite a while for me to heal. And this one's a really large piece. And there's that. It has little buckets on it. So that's cute. So anyway, I probably won't be working on any quilts for a while. I don't know if I'm going to be getting any more. I thought I suspended it temporarily, my Quilty Box, but I don't know. I didn't think I was supposed to get this one, and I did. So we will check into that. But I know in December or January I'll be going for a second surgery. I don't have the date down yet. It's either November or December. So I will be out of commission for a month. It's going to be on my legs, both legs. So I won't even be able to walk down the steps to get to my darn craft room. So here is everything. And let's see, it got the Bundles of Inspiration has a retail price of $10, and that's because of the patterns inside. I gave several patterns. The Sky and Sea pattern by Ibotta is retailed at $8. So 30, 40, 50, 30, 40, 50, like $68 value for everything you see here, and including those other patterns in here. So that is everything. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the comments. I'll have links down below where you can get the Quilty Box and a few other things you might want to check out. I also have an Etsy shop, and I have an eBay store, and I will have the links all down below for that. So thanks so much for stopping by, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.